Hey guys, Steph here. So I'm trying my new video capture software that I got. I have the free version of Bandicam. So I just want to show off like some of the Blender stuff, the animation stuff I do. Here's a still thing I have for a class that I had, animation class. This was a mini project. It was supposed to be a textured scene, and we had to like we had to put together a scene, put textures on it, and create a few of our own characters, and then we could download some pre-made stuff. But I went and made all my own characters. This is my Golden Freddy. Took me about 12 hours to make him. Yeah, 12 hours to make him. Not continuous, just on and off. Just going through and working on them. So I've got the little sitting Golden Freddy, and I've got Chica holding the giant cupcake in front of her. Reason being is because I can't get the text to write Let's Play. And then I got my security guard. We had to have multiple. I think we had to have three characters made of ourselves. So I have the original security guard, and then I have two more, all of which are holding their little tablets. So what I can do is click render, and the textures are missing. Wonderful. I'll be right back. I'm gonna fix that. Alright, back. Sorry about that. Okay, so as you can see, here's the textures and stuff like that. You have the doors and stuff over here. As you can see, it's 12 a.m. over here on, I can't see what night that is, but I've got the pictures of all the characters. We have Bonnie and Chica over here on the other wall. I've got Foxy and Freddy. This guy is startled, got a little exclamation point over his head because, oh, Golden Freddy. And then Chica somehow ended up in here too. It's not killing anybody yet. But if you look really closely, you can see the tablets with the camera things on them so they can look. We've got three different guys because we were required to have multiple characters in our scene and texture the whole room. Took me about 12 hours for Golden Freddy, another 5 or 6 for Chica, a couple hours for the cupcake, and for him it took me about 7 hours, and then all I did was copy him and copy the chair, and then just change the hats around for the other guys. But yeah, this is my 5 minutes at Freddy's little scene that I do for a project, and then I've got the makeup part for the my other characters that I'm making. Just try to do an animated scene, but it's a little tough with the way things are animated here. I have the complete Freddy, from the first Five Nights at Freddy's game. He, I don't think, yeah, he does have texture, but I'm not gonna render it right now just because of how unfinished these guys are. I still can't get the text to work for Chica. But I have Bonnie here. I still gotta do his feet and his bow tie. I am not doing Foxy. Foxy is way too complicated for me right now. But yeah, this is the model creating software, animation software that I use to do these things, like my Dead Mouse animation and my Dizzy Duck. Yeah, all this is I just kind of use these things right here. By the way, this software is called Blender. It's totally free to download. You just go to the Blender site. It's spelled exactly like the cooking tool, so not too hard. So you have all these different things, like you have the cube, and you've got just a flat plane. You do for floors and walls. Circle, I don't use that. You have the sphere, which is that I use for most of the stuff. This is more of a pointed version of the sphere. Got cylinders, cones, torus, just I call it a ring, I could make Sonic the Hedgehog, but he's a little too complicated. Um, then you have the monkey, which is actually named, if I can find it on here. The monkey's name is, oh goodness, Suzanne. Yeah, Blender's mascot's a monkey named Suzanne. Say hi, Susan. Me. This is the software I use to be able to make my animations, use my Five Nights at Freddy's characters. They're a little wonky, just because it's kind of tough to make characters like that. I'm not as good as, definitely not as good as Scott, but like this is my little amateur stuff, no SFM, things like that. I'm gonna do something with these guys. I don't know. I have to finish Bonnie, but I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with them yet. But we'll do something. But yeah, this is my editing stuff, and how I make animations. Um, I I will open my final project from my class, and here it is. If I go all the way back to the beginning, like here's the huge hallway of stuff because of the way I had to put the cameras. So I've got the far away camera here. I'm gonna couple close up ones for in the middle of it and the very end, and then the top camera for when it smashes down, the buildings start flying away. So you got the mouse bouncing, spinning, squish, and with a technique called squish and stretch. So then it looks like it's actually like kind of bouncing, makes it more real. Um, it bounces up and down on buildings. The buildings go up and down. You can see this is the rough part of it without the textures and stuff like that. Here's like the rendered stuff. If I go all the way back to the beginning and render, you can see all the different things. But yeah, like squishing and stretching and all that stuff. Just having bouncing them around and doing things like that. But yeah, this is my editing software, and thanks for watching. Alright, bye.